2019 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, security system, trip computer, power moonroof, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tachometer, panic alarm, overhead console, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, power driver's seat. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.